Integrated structure design, easy installation and use, greatly reducing the labor cost of installation. The solar panel adopts A+ solar cells, 22% photoelectric conversion efficiency, 25-year service life. Adopting a new large-capacity LiFePO4 battery, 2000 cycles life, 8 years lifespan. Built-in BMS, battery management system, to protect the battery from overcharge and overdischarge, safe and stable operation. Long rainy and cloudy days backup, can set up to 10 days of light on time for rainy and cloudy days when fully charged. Huge LED module, using more LED lamp beads of the same power, effectively improving the light efficiency, while greatly reducing the heat generation and reducing the light decay. 3 lighting modes are available with a remote controller: induction mode, time control mode, 12-hour constant light mode,